Hey there, got board exams coming up? Don't worry, I've got your back with some genius study hacks to help you ace them. First things first, let's talk about a smart study plan. Make a timetable and prioritize your subjects based on difficulty and exam dates. Break your study sessions into 90-minute blocks with 10-minute breaks to keep your brain fresh. And follow the 80-20ths rule. Focus 80% of your time on the topics that carry the most weight in exams. Next up, master the syllabus and NCERT books. Stick to NCERT textbooks, especially if you're in CBSE or State Boards. Most questions come from these books. Highlight key points using color coding and sticky notes to remember important formulas, dates, and concepts. And don't forget to solve at least 5-10 years of past papers to spot repeating questions. Now let's dive into effective revision techniques. Use active recall. Instead of just rereading, try to recall answers from memory. The Feynman technique is a game changer. Teach a topic to yourself or a friend in simple words. Mind maps and flashcards are also super helpful for quick revision. When it's time to write the exam, start with a strategy. Spend the first 5-10 minutes reading through the question paper. Begin with the easy questions to build confidence and secure marks early. Manage your time by allocating it wisely per question and stick to it. And remember, neat and structured answers with bullet points, diagrams, and underlined keywords can make a huge difference. Don't forget to stay mentally and physically fit. Get 7-8 hours of sleep to keep your brain sharp. Eat a healthy diet. Avoid junk food and munch on nuts, fruits, and brain-boosting foods. Meditation and light exercise can also help reduce stress. Leverage smart digital learning tools. Use YouTube channels for video lectures and apps like Byju's, Unacademy, Khan Academy, or Vedantu for conceptual clarity. Practice with online mock tests to improve your speed. Finally, some exam day tips. Stay calm and read the question paper carefully. Manage your time wisely and don't spend too long on one question. Save the last 10 minutes to review your answers and check for errors. There you have it. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to acing your board exams. Don't forget to subscribe and like the channel for more helpful content. Good luck!